Key is out, and it's still stuck on. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Trucker Smooth coming to y'all with another video, man. If y'all read the title on this, y'all know I'm about to have a crazy week, man. From weather, something went wrong with the truck. Now if you want to see all that, a couple accidents, if you want to see all that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. You hit it yet? Alright, let's go. YouTube. I'm driving and I just noticed my dashboard just froze up on me. Say I'm going 54. Everything is frozen on the dashboard. The whole dashboard. It lit up real bright. Look, I'm at a dead stop. And it's showing 54 miles per hour. But it lit up real bright. And then it just froze up on me. So when I go back to the dealer for my fan and stuff, I'm gonna have to tell them that I don't know how long it's gonna be before they order a new one or fix this one, or I'm gonna cut the truck off, on and off, and see if it fixes it. But it's froze right now. It's never happened to me. All right, so like I say, I'm stopped. I pulled my brakes. It's in neutral, but it's saying it's in drive. So I'm gonna cut it off and cut it back on, see if it works. Truck is off, as you can see, and it's still on. Radio is off, and it's still stuck on. Key is out, and it's still stuck on. Last thing I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna cut all the power off to the truck and see if that fixes it. If not, I'm in trouble, because I'm not gonna know where my gas is in the next couple minutes. So let me power it off. Hold on, let me get out. Get out and power it off real quick. Power the whole truck off. The button is back here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's back there. I'm right here on the seat, by the driver's seat. I just powered everything off. I'm gonna reset it. Yeah, I don't know what that was about then. Look like we're good. Alright, look like we're good. But I don't know what that was about. That was freaky. Welcome back, YouTube. Last night was kind of crazy. Or what happened to the truck? Some other stuff started flickering, like the radio will like stop playing my music and tell me to press play on the device. Then it flickered out. It'll cut off completely, and then cut back on by itself. What else happened last night? Oh, my trailer lights went out for like 5 seconds and turned back on. So I don't know what that's about. But I just made it to my delivery. Thank God they taking me in early. But this was one of the craziest spots I had to park in. Let me turn the truck off. This is one of the craziest spots I had to park in. Literally, on the side of the road, like to deliver inside of a warehouse that's like right on Main Street. Now, if you're a new driver, I advise you to either ask for help or have someone assist you, because certain spots like this you're gonna need to know, because this is what I had to do today was a blind side. So basically, if you don't know how to blind side, especially in a truck with a cab on the back, maybe if you're in a day cab, then you know you can see out the back window, but in this big truck you can't see. So you gotta know how to work your mirrors, lean up a little bit, use your hood mirror. You gotta use all your mirrors damn near to blindside. So with that being said, I'm gonna just jump out real quick and show y'all what I mean. All right, so this is the building. That's my truck. I had to literally sling it in there, and there's not that much space, as you can see, on this 2-lane highway. So I blocked up traffic good enough, but I had to disconnect so I won't be in the road and park my truck over there. But like I say, you know, have to use some assistance with these crazy parks. There's no dock in there at that. So they're unloading these tires, I think, by hand. I'm gonna walk back there in a second and show y'all what's going on. Woo! Dale.
Aquí el negro está, aquí la americana está tomando video.
I'm gonna go and let them handle that, and come sit my behind there. I made a turn. I thought I hit something, but I didn't. I thought I towed something up, but I didn't. I just dropped the whole truck inside the mud. I can't wait to go get her washed. Alright guys, we back. They still in there taking them out. I'm about to take the drone out and fly it. Have me some fun, because they say it's gonna be about another hour and a half, 2 hours or something like that. But it's part of sitting there waiting, part of trucking. So I'm about to go take the drone out, fly around here and see what's going on. And I insert the video on how that look.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young.
Music licensing reimagined.
100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young.
Music licensing reimagined.
Good die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home.
Artlist.io.
Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah.
Going on, gang. Just that fast. I'm in North Carolina. Remember, I showed you yesterday. What, not a lick of snow on the ground. What, nothing. Went to sleep. Heard my phone going off, said severe ice storm. Woke up. I'm at Niagara right now getting loaded. But I slept here last night, so when I pulled in, it was it's clear as day. Now, and it's coming down. So if you can see that, it is coming down. But I already knew it was coming from last night, so I'm waiting to finish getting loaded. I'll probably have to move from out here. They probably let me stay for a bit until they clear it out. I'm gonna be chilling here. I'll let y'all know the update later. I done slept for most of the day. I think the roads are kind of clear. They plowed them. I'm gonna go ahead and head out, see, how it's looking out there. But I'm at the truck stop. About a good 4 inches, 5 inches of snow. Nothing too crazy, but it is crazy because if they didn't plow the road or certain roads shut down while I'm driving, I've been on the CB, I've been trying to go on social media to see, what's what. I don't see nothing, so I see most everybody posting in Atlanta, but I think they posted more because it actually snowed there, so we'll see. So this can't be it, man. As soon as I start my pre-trip, this the exit. And he is stuck. Trying to make the turn and got stuck right there. I was just about to pull out after I finished, so I guess I gotta wait. I just wanted to give y'all this view real quick. Pulled over. Some shit you do not see in Miami. Oh, we got a dude out there kayaking. Going on YouTube, man. I just made it back to the yard over here in Atlanta. I was in Baltimore earlier. Came through West Virginia, came down here, man. Listen, y'all. Do not come to the Forest Park yard parking all crazy. The Forest Park is the shop, really. Don't come here parking crazy, dog. Like, think of the next driver, please. Because right now, I'm gonna show y'all how I parked in here and how I had to get it in here right quick. So basically, me and another driver, we helped each other get into our spots because it's ridiculous here. Like, you can see bobtails are parked everywhere, any and every way. My truck It's parked all type of crazy. I got it in this hole, but you can see that tight fit back there on this side and this side right here. You see how these trailers are parked? If all of them would have parked decent, everybody would have somewhere to park. Like this right here doesn't make no sense at all. But then you got bobtails parked where we supposed to be parked at. You got two bobtails up there, as you can see, where the trailer's supposed to be parked at. They left and went home, so that's two spots right there. Then you got two more that's up there parked all type of stupid. But why is you parked here like this? Then you got people blocking that part right there over there. But when y'all come to this area, man, make sure y'all park decent. This shit don't make no sense, man. Think of the next driver on if he gotta get out or whatever the case may be. But I gotta drop this load off Monday. And after I drop it off Monday, I pick up another load from Clorox, and then we headed down to Miami. So see y'all when I'm headed to Clorox. I'm about to go relax at my sister and cousin house right now. You know, get off the truck. But I'll see y'all Monday.